Good morning, students. I am your English teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. Today we will study English grammar of class 6. Our book name is Grammar Tunes. So please take out your English grammar book and open it. Here we will study chapter number 2. Our chapter name is Subject and Predicate. Before the understanding subject and predicate, we understand sentence. What do you understand by sentence? As you know, is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Sentence शब्दों का वह समूह है जिसका एक सही अर्थ निकले. Here we take one example. She has a doll. In this sentence, here are 4 words are present. She has a doll. Means उसके पास एक गुड़िया है. This sentence make a complete sense. Now we find out the subject. She is a subject. Other than she, all the words are predicate. And here are one important point. Our sentence is ends with full stop. Now here are some more example of sentences. Now we find in these sentences subject and predicate. Our first sentence, Mayank saw a scary movie. Mayank ने एक डरावनी मूवी देखी. Here Mayank is a subject. The small dog crossed the road. Here the small dog is a subject. My sister baked a cake. Here my sister is subject. Tinu went to the store. Here Tinu is subject. The lion roared loudly. The lion is subject. The students marched well. Here the students is subject. Now in all the sentence we conclude that subject are the thing or person which is doing the action. In first sentence, Mayank saw a scary movie. Scary movie. Movie is seen by Mayank. Mayank के द्वारा मूवी देखी गई. So Mayank is a subject. Now we read it. The person or thing about whom something is said is the subject of a sentence. What we say about the subject is called the predicate of a sentence. Here, person और thing, किसी भी इंसान का नाम, कोई भी इंसान या फिर चीज़, सामान, जिसके जो कुछ कह रहा है या जो कुछ काम कर रहा है उसे हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं किसी उस सेंटेंस का. एंड व्हाट वी से अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट के लिए हम जो कह रहे हैं वो प्रेडिकेट है हमारे सेंटेंस का. नाउ इन अ सिंपल वर्ड्स, सब्जेक्ट इज अ वर्ड, आई मीन टू से पर्सन और थिंग हु इज डूइंग द एक्शन. जो काम कर रहा है, जो कुछ बोल रहा है वो सब्जेक्ट है. और सब्जेक्ट अबाउट द वी से अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट. जो भी सब्जेक्ट ने किया वो प्रेडिकेट. Now here are some more examples in which subject and predicate are separated. I will go to the market today. I means मैं will go to the market today. मार्केट जाऊंगा. मैं मार्केट जाऊंगा आज. तो मैं काम कौन कर रहा है? I. और उसके अलावा सब्जेक्ट के अलावा जो भी वर्ड्स है वो प्रेडिकेट. Same as stray animals is subject, must be taken care of predicate. The big black dog is subject, cat the flying disc predicate. Here most of the sentences starts with subject. Means the sentences beginnings with subject, but in 20% sentences the subject does not come at the beginning. Here is a one example. Down rolled the boulders. The subject is at the end of the sentence. I think you all are understood the subject, predicate and sentence. Here it is a practice time. First, encircle the subject and underline the predicate in each of the following sentences. My young sister took a comfortable bus. In this sentence, my young sister took a comfortable bus. My sister is a subject, took a comfortable bus is predicate. Now, all the questions are you done own self. Question B. Write suitable subjects for the following predicates. इन प्रेडिकेट्स के लिए हमें सुटेबल सब्जेक्ट्स लिखने हैं. इन सब्जेक्ट्स में हमारे सभी के आंसर अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. हेयर इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डैश इज एन अमेजिंग डांसर. आई रोट रितु, बट you can write Sunita, you can write Akshara, you can write Sumit, etc. So here subjects can be different from my answers. So you have to do these all questions own self. Question C. Write suitable predicates for the following subject. Here we have given subjects, but we have to write predicates. So as we know, or as we our understanding, we can write the predicate. I think you all the students are understand subject, predicate, sentence, and you have to do all these questions by own self. Thank you, take care and have a nice day.